How does uninsured motorist property damage coverage work? Imagine you're driving down the road when suddenly another car hits yours. The driver has no insurance or not enough to cover the damage. What happens next? That's where uninsured motorist property damage coverage comes into play. This part of your auto insurance helps pay for repairs to your vehicle if the at-fault driver is uninsured or underinsured. It acts as a safety net, so you're not left footing the bill alone. When you file a claim for UMPT, your insurance company will reimburse you for the actual cash value of your vehicle's damage. This means they look at what your car was worth before the accident and pay up to the limits of your policy. If your car is totaled, they will pay the market value of your vehicle before the crash. This coverage is especially helpful if you do not have collision coverage, which also pays for repairs but only if you have an accident with a covered vehicle. Without UMPT or collision coverage, you'd have to pay for repairs out of pocket or try to sue the other driver, which can be complicated and take time. Most of the time, UMPT is an optional add-on to your car insurance, but some states requiring insurance companies to offer it or even make it mandatory. When you make a claim, you'll need to show proof that the other driver was at fault and did not have enough insurance. Many policies include a deductible, usually between $100 and $150, which is the amount you pay before your insurance covers the rest. It's important to understand that UMPT only covers damage caused by uninsured or underinsured drivers. It does not cover damage from collisions with insured drivers or hit-and-run accidents unless your state law says otherwise. UMPT is different from uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage, which helps pay for medical bills after an accident. Having UMPT in your policy can save you from big expenses if you're involved in an accident with an uninsured driver. It works alongside mandatory coverages to give you extra protection. If you live in an area with many uninsured drivers, adding UMPT can be a smart choice to keep your finances safe and avoid the stress of paying for repairs yourself.